Alright guys, welcome back to Fierce Hot Wheels. Today we're featuring something new again, something exciting. You know I reviewed this one a couple days ago or last week. So anyways, this one actually, wow, it actually have a Hot Wheels stamp on it. This one doesn't. Look at this. So not the same without the Hot Wheel flames. So this one does have Hot Wheel flame logo on it, which should be somewhere. Oh, wow. Alright. Anyways, as you see, I don't see no Hot Wheel logo like most of the Hot Wheel cars. Pretty nice. So, pretty one of the rare cars that does have the Hot Wheel logos on it. So let's look up into this one. Like I said, every year Hot Wheels comes out with a car like 2-3 different colors. This year they actually came out with 3 colors for Reventon. The first one was the lime green one, and then the next, and then of course this one is at the end of the year, and they also have a exclusive for Target edition, but I didn't get that one. Anyways, let's look at this one, then do a comparison. Pretty nice green color, black stripes with gold finish line, integrated headlights, Lamborghini logo, grills. Rolls pretty nice. Can't complain about this. You don't see the 2 Lamborghinis, the Reventon, rare ones, drive side by side. So there you go, guys. Like I said, there's in real life only 20 cars, regular cars were built, coupes, and 15 roadsters for street. So I like how they integrate the windows, as you see, all together. So plastic, so pretty nice. If you guys want to see more detail, I'm gonna post a link of this Hot Wheel that I did a review on it. I just want to do a little comparison on this one's. That way you can see. So, well, anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. Sorry, I know it's a little awkward, boring one. So, I'm going to have another review that I'll be doing in a minute, maybe. And upload this video. I have another video that I'll be uploading. So, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and see you next time, guys.